Pop quiz. Do you know what your innovation fraction is? If you don't, it's no big deal because in the next 2 minutes, I'll explain what it is and how it can help you generate more revenue. What is the innovation fraction? The innovation fraction is a simple way for CEOs of software companies to quickly understand how efficiently they're spending their R&D budget. At its base level, software R&D is split between innovation and maintenance. Maintenance is all the work R&D teams have to do to keep a software product working and available for their customers to use. Basically, it's keeping the lights on. Innovation really means value creation. It's all the things that deliver your unique brand value to your customers. Features, functionality, and experiences that matter to the people who sign the checks. Why should CEOs care about the innovation fraction? Quite simply because it's the single most important KPI when it comes to software R&D. You already know how to measure your return on investment in sales, marketing, operations, and customer support. The innovation fraction is how you measure ROI on R&D. So how do you find your innovation fraction? First, break down all the time your team spends on software R&D over the course of a month or a quarter into 2 categories, value creation and maintenance. Then divide the time spent on value creation by the total time spent in R&D, and you have your innovation fraction. What does this number tell you? The higher your innovation fraction, the higher your return on investment in software R&D. If your innovation fraction is north of 80%, meaning that you're consistently spending less than 20% of your R&D budget on maintenance, congratulations are in order because you are spending your money wisely on things that create value for your customers and drive growth. But for most companies, this percentage is flipped. In our experience, we found most companies spend upward of 80% of their R&D budget on maintenance, leaving only 20% for innovation. This severely limits growth, will impede your ability to keep customers satisfied and generate new logos for your business. It's not about spending more on R&D, it's about getting the most from what you already spend. Take a minute, do the math. If you don't like what you find or find this overwhelming, give us a call and we'll walk you through it and help you turn things around.